Good afternoon, and welcome to the show. Our guest today is here to give us some helpful advice on workplace safety. Good afternoon.
Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm a safety expert.
How is workplace safety similar to safety outside of work?
Pretty easy. When you're at work, you really shouldn't be distracted. Just like while you're crossing the street, you shouldn't be texting while there's forklifts and heavy machinery operating around. It's common sense, really. When you're at work, you need to be focused on what you're doing, just like everybody else is, so they may not be focused on what you're up to.
So what might happen to someone if they allowed themselves to become distracted on the job?
Electricity is dangerous. You can get shocked. The air gun, the nails, the shells falling. That can really happen to you if you don't pay attention. And there's been times where people are texting and they were looking at their phones texting and they got hit by a forklift.
Ah, yes. That's all very interesting. Very interesting.
Bruh, you even pay attention to me over here?
Sorry, what? Ah! Oh, if only I'd been paying attention.